Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's case is all about excuses, and boy does our defendant have plenty of them. She seems to think being a mom gives her a free pass to skip probation check-ins and dodge responsibility at every turn. But guess what? The judge is not amused. Let's dive into this wild courtroom moment where the mom card completely backfires and the only options left are to shape up or ship out to jail.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan. Do you need more time to talk to her?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Versus Samantha Diane Ladd. We have two files, 22-20962FH, which is a probation violation, as is file number 23-21239FH. I have Tamaris Hunnigan appearing on behalf of Ms. Ladd, and I have Jennifer Walsh from the Michigan Department of Corrections. This is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. So, Ms. Hunnigan, how would you like to proceed?
Thank you, Your Honor. I've spoken with my client. We would like to ask for one more adjournment on these matters. My client did enter to plea district court just this week, and we had been waiting to see what would happen with that so that then I could speak with Ms. Walsh to see maybe where probation is thinking they want to go with this. So that was entered just yesterday, 2 days ago. So I've not had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Walsh yet. And then in addition to that, we would also like to discuss Ms. Ladd's tether this morning and see where Ms. Walsh might be on that topic as well. Ms. Ladd is currently seeking employment. She does have a small daughter at home, and this tether is a financial hardship on her and the family. She's still looking for employment, so she doesn't even have the financial resources herself to pay this. So the family is helping her with it. But in addition to that, she has showed up for all of her court hearings and I believe has made her reports to Ms. Walsh. So we're asking if the court would consider having her tether removed today and allow, I guess, Ms. Walsh to weigh in on that as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so Ms. Walsh, we placed the tether on her back on May 21 of 2024. What did she plead to downstairs? Okay, what did you plead guilty to?
It's an aggravated assault that she pled guilty to, Your Honor. It wasn't domestic, but an aggravated assault and with no objections to no upfront jail time.
All right. So, Ms. Walsh, have we had any violations on the tether since May?
We have, I could have had violations. She does nothing for me. She has refused to job seek to the point of me having to give her employment sheets to verify she's job seeking. She didn't even do that correctly. I recently submitted an amended order to you for her to complete community service weekly because she refuses to job seek. I went to her house to do a home call at 1 p.m. and she was sleeping with her daughter. She's extremely disrespectful. She refuses to do anything for me. She reported to me yesterday morning without her community service sheet. I asked her to come back at 11, refused to do that. I would ask at this point to revoke her bond and place her in jail because she absolutely refuses to do anything. Her excuse is always because she has her daughter. She refuses to put her daughter in daycare. She will do nothing for me. She does nothing. I don't know what else to do with her at this point.
So, Ms. Hunnigan, what I would say is I have children too, and I work 2 jobs. I was a lawyer and I taught college. So having a child is not a barrier to daycare, and you probably qualify for DHS daycare. So you might want to go have a talk with your client right now, or I can adjourn this for about another week, about a week. And then I'll leave the tether on and we can come back next week. Miss Adams, can I squeak this in next Wednesday?
Wednesday, you are not.
Oh, I'm not here. 2 weeks, Miss Adams?
Yep, October 16th is good.
I just didn't know if it was full. Okay.
So,
October
so just to
16th.
put on the record, I do have a missed report yesterday, considering she never came back to CV2 report to me. She does qualify for DHS. She will not allow anybody else to babysit her daughter. So,
Okay.
even if you
So,
just get
Ms.
it.
Ladd, all right. You are looking at a lengthy jail term. Do you understand that? When you commit a crime, basically, Miss Walsh has full control of your life. You get a job. There are wonderful daycares out there, wonderful ones, and you are qualified for DHS funding. So there's no reason you can't use that and get a job or have a family member babysit. I don't know, but you got to figure this out. You have to report on time. You have to have a job. You have to do community service work. If you don't, you go to jail. Do you understand? Okay. And no ifs, ands, or buts. You do it or you go to jail. So when we come back on the 16th, I want to see you have a job. I want to see that you went to DHS to get some childcare funding. And I want you reporting to Miss Walsh the way you should be and doing what she says and not arguing with her. Do you understand? All right. So I will set this over to the 16th at 8:30. That should give you plenty of time, Ms. Huntington, to talk to Miss Walsh as well as your client.
Ms. Walsh, does she need to report to you today because she missed yesterday?
No.
Or would you like her to move?
You're muted, Miss Walsh, next
She has
Tuesday.
instructions to report to me tomorrow at 8 a.m. She will probably ask me to come in at 2 like she always does. The answer is no. It's 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
All right. Another thing, 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock. So if you got to be here at 8 o'clock, you better be here at 8 o'clock. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We'll see you back. Miss Walsh will see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Thank you.
It's wild how some people think being a parent lets them off the hook, but the judge made it crystal clear. Motherhood does not exempt you from the law. The defendant's excuses hit the brick wall, and now she's got a choice: get her life together or take a trip to the county jail. What do you think? Is this the wake-up call she needs, or is she just digging herself deeper? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.